Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to my new YouTube video. So in this video we are going to make multiple text typing animation. As you can see on your screen, the word is changing and it is looking like I am typing. So let's get started and know how we can code this. So first of all we will set our title and include our style.css file. Now we will create a div with class wrapper, and inside our wrapper div we will create another div with class static text and unordered list with class dynamic text, in which we will add all the words we need for animation. Now we will start styling. So first of all we will set our margin and padding to 0, and box sizing will be border box, and we will set our font family as well. Now we will write CSS for our body tag. Now we will write CSS for our wrapper. Now let's check how it is looking. So now let's add CSS for our static text. Now we will write CSS for our dynamic text. Now we will write CSS for our list items. Now we will write CSS for our span pseudo class, which will be after. Now let's check how it is looking. So it is looking good. Now let's write CSS for our span element. Now let's set our typing animation and its keyframes. Now let's check how it is looking. So you can see the cursor is moving right now. So now we need to add background color for our pseudo class, which is after, to hide our other text. Now let's check again. So you can see it is giving an effect like we are writing these words. So now we need to change our words at a random interval. So we need to write its animation in list elements. Now let's check how our animation is looking. So you can see when word is complete, the word is getting changed. So now we need to write overflow hidden, so it will only display one word at a time. So you can see only one word is displaying right now. So this is our final product. So guys, this is it. So remember me in your prayers, keep supporting me, and I will keep sharing videos like this which will be helpful for you. So do let me know in comment section which kind of videos you need in future. So Allah Hafiz.